Woohoo! Here we go! A little bit of assembly oil and some paint on the manifold, and I have no idea what else is inside the exhaust that I swapped out, but it should clear up in a little while. We'll see how that goes. And then, like I said, I got paint that's bonding, forming. It's not melting because it's good for 2,000 degrees, but you know, pretty good, pretty good. Just rebuilt it. You can see we got the high output headers. I got a shaved 1.6 head on. 3-angle valve job. Got a 1.9 intake on it. Mechanical fuel pump delete. EGR delete. Someday soon I'll hook up the AC. I switched to a new mount. Yeah, otherwise doing pretty good. So what else coming back here? Less and less smoke. There'll always be a lot, but it's quite marginal. Like I said, I'm pretty sure that's from all the assembly, and I have no idea what there is for condensation inside that exhaust. It's been pretty rainy the last few days, and it's been sitting outside for a while, but yeah, man, doing good.